The installation and operation of double surface grinder. Step 1. Choose the right side of the equipment. Step 2. Connect the electrical lines and the water tank. Step 3. Check the hydraulic lubricating. All screws are locked and the circuit is connected. Step 4. Power-ups. Unscrew the emergency stop button on the PLC. Step 5. Adjust the machine balance. Step 6. Install the dressing tool and grinding wheel. Step 7. Install feeding carrier. Step 8. Adjust the angle of the grinding wheel. Step 9. Dressing the grinding wheel. Step 10. Test running of the machine. YUHUAN CNC Machine Tool Co., Ltd.